Hello guys, this is Sai. I am a CS by profession. Today I am here to make an announcement, that is I'll be handling paper 4, that is Corporate and Economic Laws of CA Final, and this announcement is that we are running this paper absolutely free of cost, and this is valid up to December 31st 2021. Sir, and whatever the exam attempt which we have recorded these videos for, sir, it is for May 2022. So people, as of now, part 1 module 1 is completed. You guys can watch it, and the next part will be uploaded, recorded soon. I hope you guys make the best use of it. Kindly look into what and all are the materials provided, the chart book, the PDFs, whatever is a summarized version of the institute provided module, everything will be provided from my end. Hope you like it and hope you also learn it. Thank you so much, and I hope you guys will make the best use of it. Best regards from Arivu Pro. Thank you.